Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing forum or forums in the English language, but I think fora is actually the correct word. So forum in plural, and we're discussing it specifically in the context of Thai visas and Thai immigration. Now, let me be clear before I start this video. I'm not disdaining the use of fora. I'm not disdaining the use of, for example, the Thai Visa Forum or expat forums on Facebook or Thai Visa forums on Facebook where they talk about things that are going on with respect to Thai immigration. Or Twitter folks. There's a lot of folks on Twitter. For example, Richard Barrow's on Twitter. We follow him from time to time and look at his stuff. There is really solid and insightful information on an immigration forum. Again, Thai Visa, Facebook fora that are talk about visa and immigration issues. And like I said, Twitter folks. There's nothing wrong with any of these. And some of them are really, really insightful. In fact, there's some folks who take photos in some of these fora, put them up and let people see lines at places and things like that. And that can have a real positive benefit for both the people that use it for informational purposes, and in some cases, I do think at a policy level within the immigration system, some of that stuff is looked at and it's taken into consideration. What I'm making this video for is I've seen a lot of people in the past like 7 to 10 days, especially as this COVID crisis has been coming more and more to a head. And I understand people are overwrought. They're upset. This is not a good situation to be in. We're seeing people who, unfortunately, they think their status is okay, and then they find out, well, it may or may not apply. You know, the amnesty may or may not apply to you. That's certainly stressful. Folks who didn't get into the amnesty window, their visas expired before the amnesty window hit, and perhaps they were unable to get a visa letter or an embassy letter from their home embassy to regularize their status. A lot of this stuff is really turning into a source of consternation for many people here in Thailand. I'm making this video because I want people to understand, and I want to be clear, a lot of the forum operators, moderators, whatever you want to call it, they're very clear about pointing out that different immigration offices deal with things differently. Moreover, immigration is a plenary power. I've discussed this in prior videos. It doesn't work the same way that law works, in the sense that you go into a court and there's a good faith adjudication and the law is interpreted. There's a lot more discretion inherent in the officers at immigration just due to the plenary nature of their function. It's not wholly a legal function. In a sense, there's national security considerations, there's health and safety considerations at play with immigration. You know, most acutely at the time of this video, we're talking about COVID-19 or coronavirus. And this video I'm not making specifically to talk about COVID-19 or coronavirus. This is a general video that I'm hoping stands the test of time long after we hopefully put this COVID-19 thing to bed and don't have to deal with it in the future. The purpose of this video is to discuss making decisions specifically based on immigration you've read in a forum. Not always the best idea. There's various reasons for that. Most notably, one of the big ones I see is people make a decision saying, oh, I saw this in this forum. Well, that posting is 5 years old. Policies change. Immigration officers change. Many of the moderators that I've seen throughout the internet that are operating forums talking about Thai visas specifically, and frankly, although Thai immigration law is a narrow body of law, it's deep. You've got really subtle nuances depending on circumstantial issues and circumstances as they arise that can fundamentally alter the way in which Thai immigration law is applied. Back to the point of this video, if you think you fall into a situation where the matter is rather nuanced or there's not a clear-cut rule out there under which you specifically fall under, it's not a terrible idea to contact a legal professional or in some cases directly liaise with Thai immigration themselves. That may be a daunting endeavor. You may spend hours out there and they may ultimately not really provide you with an answer that you feel is satisfactory. In some cases because of their caseload. In some cases because you're trying to get an answer to, for lack of a better term, sort of a hypothetical, and they don't want to deal with a hypothetical. They have enough work to do. That's not their function. So again, a legal professional may be advisable. Sometimes liaising directly with immigration may be possible. But understand, each case is unique. I talk about this in U.S. immigration as well as Thai immigration. And while generally speaking, the rules and the system will operate a certain way, each case is unique. So it's not always going to be prudent to make decisions based on something you read in a forum, because it may not apply specifically to you and your situation and your circumstances in your case.